to nearly 11% now, 10.6%. So it's growing and it's catching up as we go forward. So watch this space carefully. Talk quickly about the stock market. Well, up, down. Nvidia, big kick in the teeth, down nearly 8%. People were expecting earnings to be through the moon like they have been for the last year or so, but no, they were still good, but not exponential enough for the market. So it's like, this thing is slowing down. And that's what happens when you start getting high, going up to 35,000 feet. You start to slow down a little bit. Microsoft flat, Apple flat, Google down 1.39%, Meta down 1.27%, Amazon up just less than 1%, Tesla down 2.8%, and everything's kind of mixed. But again, it is August. But zooming out for a second, I want to show you the stonk market. This looks like an insane meme coin. This is the S&P 500. And yes, it's going back a long time. But just look at that chart. Again, the combination of very strong economic conditions for stocks, not the macro itself, but for stocks. We still also have strong corporate earnings. We have positive investor sentiment, and we have broad sector performance. And this is the S&P 500 that still continues to make new all-time highs.